To better understand the coroutines, I created this simple application that contains only one text view and only one button. In the main activity, initialize these widgets and create a new counter. And when the user clicks on the button, it will increase the counter by 1 and display the counter result inside the text view. Also, I created this function, download big file from net, that simulates downloading a big file from net and long running task that counts from 1 to 1 million and display it inside the logcat. Here, I called this function in the main activity on create function. Let's run our application. And if you open the logcat, you can see the counter started and the main UI is still blocked for some seconds. Now the main UI is ready and you can see that there is some delay when clicking on the button with the animation on the button and displaying the result on the text view. The counter still working, and when the counter finishes its task, you can see that the main UI is responsive and better now. So this is a big problem. The blocking of the main UI during the execution of another task. Coroutines is the solution. Coroutines in Kotlin are a way to perform asynchronous programming. They allow you to write asynchronous code in a more consequential and straightforward manner, making it easier to handle asynchronous operations such as network requests, file I/O, or any other time-consuming task without blocking the main thread. And we simulate the time-consuming task with this function, download big file from net, that counts from 1 to 1 million. So let's try again. If we stop it and run again, you can see in the logcat that the main UI is blocked and the application will not respond for some seconds. This is a very big problem, and the solution is with coroutines. Let's try to write our first coroutine here inside the onCreate function. I'm going to start with coroutine scoop dispatchers.io.launch. Don't worry, we're going to discuss all of these terms in the next videos. And here inside the coroutine scoop, we need to call the function that we're going to execute in the background. Download big file from net. Now, this is our very first coroutine. Let's try to run our application and open the logcat. Please notice the difference. You can see that the main UI is working fine. Counter is working also. So this is very fast, and you can see the response between the button and the text view is better also. And the counter is still working. Congratulations, guys. This is the importance and this is the power of using coroutines in Android.